All right, so we are back. I know this is part one again, so I apologize if that video there was no sound. So I'm going to make this quick. There was no sound in the previous one, so there's sound in this one. Stage two for import image racing. So I'm going to be speeding this up. So $30,107. This is what you get. No, this is for MA Performance. I'm sorry. This is for MA Performance. Okay, so this is crazy. I thought I had this video. I thought I had my freaking thing recorded on sound. It wasn't. So 3100 MA Performance, with the charge pipe in the cooler kit, and it's a total of 3100. Now, if you don't want the charge pipe, guys, leave here. If you don't want the charge pipe, let's go back up. If you don't want the charge pipe, I mean, this is just another setup for stage two, but you don't get the E30 and that's with the catless downpipe along with the muffler delete, and that's on you if that's what you want to do. So now if you choose whatever is it right here, you get, instead of choosing their intake, I wouldn't go with their exhaust system because they charge $950. I'm gonna go with the single exit. The reason why, I want more of a race look. I only want one exhaust flowing out, and NVIDIA would be the best option. Obviously, I would go with Tomei, but Tomei is out of stock right now. With this setup, with E30 as well, it's another extra $149. It's $2152. Now, that doesn't include the intercooler charge pipe with the top mount. So if you're okay with that, this would be your setup right here. This is the setup that I was looking into buying. Now, the reason being why I don't plan on going, I might not plan on going with them, is because import image racing might offer me a better deal, and plus, man, you know what? I messed up on this video, but I'm gonna go back. I was gonna talk about all the parts that I bought. I forgot about that. So let's talk about all the parts that I bought here. But before all that, I'll show you guys import image racing first. This is a stage one with cob access port. If you are a military veteran or active military, they give you the military discount, and that's $845.75. So with the cob, I mean, instead of paying $1,000 with cob, get it through import image racing for $845. Can't beat that. I am gonna hop down here. Let's see here. Nolan from Oakland Online Sales, Oakland Racing. Let's see here. Yeah, why not? I'm showing you guys a lot of personal stuff here. Okay, guys. 382 for DBA front and rear slot street series slotted rotors. Right here. 235. Well, guess what? I'm on oakcoast.com here. Right here. There's a bunch of other sites. And it's 190 for the front and 190 for the rear. Now they're charging 235 here, but guess what? Nolan, awesome job. I mean, can't thank them enough. From Oakos, hooked me up with the brakes. I bought all the brakes from the rotors, Hawk pads. Hawk pads were like $75 a pair for front and rear. I think like, yeah, 75 or like 78 for the front, and then like 69 or 70 for the rear. Can't beat that. The Hawk HPS pads. I thought it was pretty damn cool. Let's see here. I'm trying to run through here because I only have a 15-minute window. So the Goodrich Phantom brake lines, I also bought it from here as well, right here. So can't beat them. I mean, I didn't get no discount on that one, but I got it. I bought phantom brake lines, hawk pads, and DBA front and rear. I'm doing the full package next week at the shop with the harmonic balancer from Subaru. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I'm jumping from stuff to stuff. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick. I wanted to make a long video because I'm gonna be hopping in on a lot of things. There was a lot of questions being asked, but I'm just gonna have to make a part 2 video on this. So I'm gonna hop into Subaru, and I'm gonna show you guys all the parts that I got, that I bought so far from Subaru, so you guys don't ask me questions again. So far I spent, if you look here, so far I spent a little bit under $1,000, 1,000. Let's view the order here. So here, let's see. I bought the interior LED, all my cabin lights, vanity lights, map dome lights, trunk light. The license plate lights are LED as well. I got the emblem for the DIT emblem for the trunk. This is what I bought. That's what I got in this kit here for the 131. I'm hopping in so fast because okay, so let's go back to my previous here, and let's go view this order. Okay, so let's hop in here. I'm showing you guys everything I've got so far, everything that's purchased so far. The blue with WRX LED light coasters for the cup holders, trunk light, vanity mirror lights. Now, if you bought the lighting package, that already comes with it. So do not do what I did. I made a mistake buying another set of light bulbs. But if you buy the LED interior lighting package from Subaru for that $44 package, whatever it is, you get all the lights, including the trunk light. The only one you don't get is the license plate light. So that's separate because that's outside. Subaru, the shifter trim, I have gloss black. My only complaint, let me pause this. My only complaint for that shifter trim is the WRX, that red label paint that they did is crap. I thought it was crap because they didn't get all the letters. So that's the only thing I hate about it. But that's my complaint to Subaru. The Subaru local license plate frame, awesome, phenomenal. It feels like a hard, heavy-duty steel frame. That's what it feels like. Beat Rush tow hook is awesome. Love it. The RSR engine oil optimizer, I loved it. I really love it. Makes your car runs a little bit more smooth, more efficient. Gas mileage is much. I saw a little increase in gas mileage as well. Fluid the fluid damper engine, the fluid damper harmonic balancer. I haven't got that installed yet. It's getting installed next week with the brakes, with the rotors, pads, and brake lines at the shop. And I'll explain in a different video why I got the fluid damper versus a lightweight crank pulley. I'll make a separate video on that. Lightweight jacket, STI lightweight jacket. Those of you who have seen it, seen me wear in the past couple other videos. It's a great jacket. It feels like a windbreaker, and they did say it was waterproof, but I'm not so sure how much waterproof it is. It's a pretty light jacket, so feels good. I got the medium. I'm a very short guy, but I didn't want to get the small one. It actually fits perfectly for me, especially for a small guy. So if you're 5'4", weigh 135 pounds, go get it. Anyways, let me pause this. Alright, so we are back. This is another set of parts that I got and installed. I made a bunch of YouTube videos on this. I made every single part that I bought from Rally Sport Direct has a review from me. So And plus, I put the YouTube link there too in case you want to watch the video. Now, it's not a full tutorial and everything, but I try. I mean, like I said, I was one-handed, so I couldn't do much for that. So, but anyways, the Torque Solutions pulley cover, I've got that installed. I bought that. Battery tie down. The Torque Solutions pitch stop mount. I have to say it's worth the money. Cabin air filter, that's definitely worth the money, especially when my Subaru is used at 38,000 miles. I'm glad I switched that out, and I'm glad I switched out the air filter. I'm glad I switched out the wiper blades the day before the snowstorm hit. By far, thank God those things helped out quite a bit. The license plate delete is cool, solid. I mean, I don't know. No, there's no performance for the oil cap, but it's just a nice dark blue look to it. And then like I said, the passenger wiper blade, Cusco front strut bar. My only complaint to that, I wish it was all blue, but it's fine. It's got a silver chrome finish, so because they wrap it in that blue tape, so I assumed it was blue, and then they're like, and then I saw, and I was like, wait a minute, you have to take that blue tape off, and then I wasn't happy about that. I thought about leaving the blue tape on there, but it is what it is. Total of $510, so there it is. Let me pause. All right, so then the next the next purchase that I did was the Torque Solutions Master Cylinder Brace. Now, if you're looking for a substantial brake performance, obviously this wouldn't be your substantial brake performance. And I told you guys I bought a used WRX, so the Dunlop Max RT tires were pretty much, didn't have much tread on it, and I was losing a lot of grip and traction on the car when I drove in the snow. And I'm glad I switched out the tires a couple days later, and I bought the tires from Tire Rack for $780. Came with 2-year road hazard warranty. It was the Continental DWS 06 tires, the extreme contact tires. Phenomenal tires, hands down. You can watch that YouTube video. The Process West radiator cover, awesome. I love the feel, I love the look, and I'm not for sure if it does bring more airflow, but I mean, it does connect to the front where that trim piece is at in the front of the hood, where it feels like the air is flowing through, but I don't know, that I'm not for sure. So it's a cool dress up. I was gonna go blue, but it's fine. The Grinspeed license plate relocation kit, nice, sturdy, good quality. I don't know. I just want to relocate my license plate. That's my honest answer there. Rally Armor mud flaps, awesome. I love the quality. Gives it a little bit, like I said, gives that look, and I like the blue label on it, and it's awesome. HCAS Super Hybrid panel, the air filter. I didn't hear much of a turbo whoosh or like that spooling noise. You hear it more with this air filter versus the OEM filter. Like I said, I bought the car at 38,000 miles, and I'm glad I switched out the air filter and the cabin filter. That's one of the main things you should probably do, especially when you're hitting, over 30,000 miles on the car and you haven't switched out those filters. That's something to take. I mean, that's something to reconsider. The shirt, like I said, that's all I got. Total. Where's the total? Total was $449. So, and yeah, I'm gonna have to make a separate video. Like I said, I'm gonna have to keep the other video that I'm gonna make, if you're watching this to the end, is how I did my research and what I looked for and who I talked to on getting deals, discounts, and stage 2. I'll talk a little bit more about stage 2. So, and to be honest, I want to go more beyond stage 2, but I mean, we'll say that for next time. So, Like I said, I can only record this for 15 minutes here, so.